So now I thought we would look at a simple voltage booster demonstration circuit. So it's not a very good one, just buy them if you need them. But in case, you can see if I keep hitting the button a whole bunch of times, we get a higher voltage than the 5-volt supply right there. That's the main thing. So we started off with probably a little less than 5 volts because the capacitor is charging through a diode. Now current's going through the oscilloscope there and draining it. So this is not very effective. Just buy a voltage booster if you need one. But in case, we press the button. That gets current going through the resistors and the inductor right there. And then when we release the button, that current just keeps flowing briefly. So we pump it into a capacitor. As you put more current into a capacitor, its voltage rises. Of course, as you draw current out, it's going to go down and whatnot. But in case, this helps demonstrate how to do that. And inductive kickback, you don't want the inductor to force current somewhere that you don't want it to go. You could pump it into a capacitor and use it. So now here's my schematic diagram for a demonstration circuit. It's really only a demonstration. You can buy a module that does this, and also instead of a physical switch you would use digital switches and whatnot. But in case, this helps to illustrate how this works. You close the switch. We start getting current flowing through the resistors and the inductor right there. I'm using a 10 millihenry inductor, which does have resistance. I may not need the resistors, but we're going to add the resistors just to be certain that things are safe. But in any case, this is about equivalent to 110 ohms of resistance because it's 210 in series. So we get that current flowing. We open the switch. Current does not stop instantly through an inductor. You get inductive kickback. So instead we use a diode there instead of a spark to pump that current into the capacitor. As you pump more current into a capacitor, its voltage rises, and so forth. So we measured that. We can't really do anything with this particular circuit. Just buy a module if you actually need a voltage booster.